Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this week video, I'm gonna quickly show you how you can add your license and certifications on your LinkedIn profile on your desktop and on your cell phone. I don't like to waste time, so let's jump right into my desktop and I'm gonna show you how to do this. Let's go. Okay guys, we are here. So I'm gonna quickly go into my system and I'm gonna show you how you're going to add your certifications in your LinkedIn profile. Okay, so I'm gonna open my LinkedIn app. Once you open your LinkedIn app, you're going to land on your feed. So you can navigate to the left, right, click on your name or you click on your image and you're going to go into your profile. Okay, once you click on it, you go into your profile. Okay, so now that we are here, we are going to scroll down. You scroll down and you find the section it says license and certifications. So once you find license and certifications, you click on the plus sign, right? You can click on the plus sign. Once you click on the plus sign and it opens up, you are going to enter your name, the name of the certification, and the issuing organizations. Now these two are the most important. If you look closely, you are going to see that they have the star option. Right, it indicates that this field is required, the name of your certification and the issuing organization. You can leave every other thing vacant or you can still fill it, right? So after doing everything, you can hit on save. So that's how you save or you add your license and or certification in your LinkedIn profile. So let's go into my cell phone and I will show you exactly how to do this with a cell phone.
Alright, so with my cell phone, I'm going to quickly show you how you're going to add your certificates on your LinkedIn app with your cell phone. Okay, so I'm going to open my LinkedIn. Okay, we are in my profile, so I'm going to go back and show you exactly what you're going to do. So once you open your LinkedIn app, this is the place you're going to land. So you click on your picture and then you click on your name to go to your profile. Then once in your profile, you scroll down. You can scroll down and then you'll find this is experience. You keep going until you find the tab for certificates. Okay, this is called license and certifications. So you click on the plus sign to add a new certificate that you acquired. So here you'll see the place they wrote name. You can click on the tab and add name of the certificates, the issuing organization, the issue date, or you can leave all this. You can add the name of the certificate and the organization. You can see a little star on it, so it's compulsory that you add these things. And you look closely on your certificate and you find that there must be a link. Okay, there must be a verification link on that digital certificate. So once you get that link, you will add it. Once you get that link, you will add it in the credential ID, right? There must be an ID for people to verify that the certificate is real. Okay, so you can add your credential URL, or if there is no link, you can equally go ahead and leave it like that, because even if you leave it like that, it can still be real. It can still be a certificate you can add in your LinkedIn profile. Okay, so you can add the skills you acquired while learning, because you are acquiring a skill. You can add a skill because you got certified for a particular skill, right? So you can go ahead and add that skill, and then if there is any video or any image, you can still add it. And after adding all these things, you can click save. But then the two compulsory columns that you must add is your name and the issuing organization. Even if you leave other things blank, you can still save this. Okay, so you must add a name and an issuing organization. That's it, guys. That's exactly how you add a certificate in your LinkedIn profile with your cell phone. I'll see you in my next video.